Once you've finished your recommendation for your client's home insurance, it's time to review the quote results screen to check if your client is happy with the prices they've been offered or if they want to add any finishing touches such as optional extras. Here's how to find your way around. You'll be able to see the top prices provided from our panel of insurers. You can see the monthly price and the annual price side by side. Easily add and remove the optional extra accidental damage cover for both buildings and contents insurance using the handy plus buttons to immediately see the price difference. Click the Customize button to adjust the excess payments to however much your client would be happy to pay in the event of a claim. Add and remove other optional extras, such as home emergency and legal expenses, plus any items worth over £2,500. Then simply apply changes to see the updated price. Our Premium Flex tool enables you to tweak how much commission you earn on the policy to lower the price for your client. This can be extra helpful when trying to get a very price-sensitive client over the line. When the client is fully happy with the recommendation, hit Apply. Log into Advisor Hub today.